I'm your fairy godmother, honey.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a polygel removal, and I'm just going to be showing you a new way to do your feet, especially if you are a beginner. This is beginner friendly. Yeah, so no polygel needed, no acrylic needed, only builder gel and full cover tips. So yeah, I am currently taking off the polygel from my previous set. If you guys have not already, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn that bell on so you won't miss the next time I post a new video. If you are new, hey boo, welcome to the channel, and please share this video to someone who might like it. So I know you guys missed me. I missed you guys too, and I feel like it's came down to the point of I'm only gonna be here for feet content here and there, and when I need to do a new set on my nails. I'm very well past the continuous sets because my nails took a really big shot from doing that. So now that my nails are healthy, I just rather stick to a nail schedule. So this is the start of the nail schedule. Yeah, so I am using my e-file to go ahead and remove this. I am using a ceramic bit as well. When you are working with polygel and removing polygel, you do want to use a ceramic bit at all times. Any metal bits, they get clogged, and polygel just don't work good with the metal bits. So yeah, I will go ahead and make sure I link down below everything that I am using in this video if I can find it for you guys. I also have a sweet treat at the end of this video, so please make sure you watch it all the way to the end. I know that you guys asked me a lot about my jewelry and stuff, so I do want to go ahead and give you guys a little gift, I should say, from me to you. So please keep watching until the end. So I make sure I remove my polygel on a 1 or 2 setting. I don't go any higher than that. These e-files can go all the way up to like 20 or something like that. Yeah, no. Definitely not doing that. I only stick to between 1 and 3, but 3 is really high to me. So 1 or 2. Now that all my polygel is gone, I'm just etching the surface with a ceramic bit. I mean, not a ceramic bit, y'all. What is this? Sanding band. Lord, I have not done my nails in a while, like a tutorial, so please bear with me. I'm not doing any cutting. I'm just gonna do this voiceover all the way through. So yeah, you want to go ahead and etch the surface of all of your nail beds, making sure it's nice and like smooth, if that makes sense. And you want to also make sure you have no dead skin in your cuticle area. You can use a ceramic bit, like the little skinny ones, like the cuticle bits, if you want to, but I use this small sanding bit so it gets right where I need it to go. And now I'm using a ceramic bit to go ahead and just file my nails down. If you guys do not remember, this is the toenail that popped off. This is the toenail that came off that was gone. Okay, my nails are growing back healthy, and I'm just so happy about it. But yeah, so since they're healthy, I did realize that me doing my nails a lot made my toes and my nails really like flimsy. Like they were bending, you guys, and it would be painful. So now I don't use polygel a lot. I wouldn't say it's because of the polygel. I'm saying it's because of how frequently I was doing my nails for my videos and stuff. But now that I leave my toes and stuff alone. They are nice and healthy, and I also take my vitamins as well. So yeah, we are going on to the next step now. If you guys don't already know, you know I say a lot. Anywho, I am going in with some false tips, and the only reason why I did not keep my toenails long and just did this over my toenails is because I like my big toe, like I like my wall to wall wider than my actual toenail is, and my toenail curves on the side, so I prefer to just cut my nails down and use false tips. And so yeah, that's what we're doing. But firstly, I am putting base coat on, and I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. And now I'm going in with my full cover tips, but I'm not going to put it at the cuticle area. I'm going to leave a little bit of space, and I'm going to show you guys why. So I'm going to file my nails down to the length that I want them to be. And once I'm done doing that, I am going to go in with my e-file to show you guys why I left a little bit of space. This is going to ensure that you get really deep in there, like close to your cuticle with your builder gel without any lifting or anything like that. So that's why I leave a space. But as you can see, like you can see where the space is. So I am going to go in with my e-file to smooth that out and make it look as seamless as possible, so you don't see any indentations when you are applying your builder gel and so on and so forth. So yeah, again, if you guys have not, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn that bell on. It is free to like the video. Liking the video gets us small creators out into the algorithm. Please like the video, you guys. So as you can see, I'm going in with my e-file now, and I'm just getting that indentation out of there. As you can see, it's really, really smooth once I hit it with that e-file. That's how we want it to look, nice and seamless. And you're going to see how seamless once you apply your base coat. I am just doing the same thing on my other feet as well, or my other foot as well. And also, I know it looks like I'm going fast, but I did speed this up. This is on a 1 setting, okay? I am going to link this e-file that I'm using down below. It is from SALON. And now we're applying base coat. And as you can see, it looks like my toenails. It does not even look like I have full cover tips on, and that was the point. Also, I just love extra security, so this is another reason why I like to use full cover tips. To me, it's just way more sturdy than just having my regular toenail. Not saying that they're not strong enough, but I am really, really rough, and I do not like wearing shoes, socks, or anything. I'm a barefoot bandit. I promise you, I'm a barefoot bandit. So I need to make sure my toenails are very secure at all times. Now I'm going in with a thick layer of builder gel. I personally like to do 3 coats of builder gel. The first coat is the thickest, then the second coat, and the third coat is just a light, like you're doing a base coat basically. So yeah, I hope this video is helping you guys so far. I know that you guys know me for Polygel, but this is for the people that have hard times with Polygel. A lot of people have a hard time shaping their Polygel and all of that. So full cover tips is a way better alternative for beginners, and they last just as long, if not longer, than Polygel. And if I'm being honest, they're probably a lot more safer than Polygel as well, like as far as the health of your nails, just because there is a lot of chemicals, or not a lot of chemicals, but way more chemicals than a full cover tip. A full cover tip is just soft gel, but actually have like the stickiness and all of that stuff. You don't have that with the full cover tips. So I just assume that it's a lot more safer for your nail beds. So yeah, as you can see, look at this. I would really wear my feet just like you know, no paint or anything, just like this. Like, they're really, really cute. But of course, I have to go in and do my classic French tip. I always have to do a French tip on my toes, always. And recently I love this little like transparent pink color, so that's what I'm going in with, and I'm using a polish. I will go ahead and link this polish down below. I did end up switching to another polish, but it's the same color. I just was running out from this bottle, so I ended up switching to another bottle. And I did do 3 coats, I believe, but you can get away with 2 coats. 2 coats is like that sweet spot for that perfect pink. I just wanted it more on the brighter side, so I went in with a 3rd coat. Also, another trick to keep your polygel, not your polygel, your nail polish from running on into your sides and your cuticle area. Just do 2 toenails at a time, or 2 to 3 toenails at a time, and then cure them in the lamp. And I'm just going to do the same exact thing to my other foot. I'm just literally doing the same nails, like the same nail color that's on my hands, on my feet. So after this, I'm going in with a glitter top coat. And then I'm going to do a French tip and top it off with shiny top coat. Once again, if you made it this far, actually, if you guys made it this far, drop a pink heart in the comments, please. Engage with me. Yeah, I miss you guys. Like, I miss you guys, especially my OGs that been here from the beginning. I miss you guys so bad. And this is why I wanted to come up with something that I can give you guys, or that I can send you guys, that would be a part of me. You know, like, I don't know. You guys are going to see. Just wait till the end of the video. And now we're going in with the glitter top coat. And then after this, I just cure this in the lamp for 60 seconds. And now I'm going in with a French tip. Once I'm done with this, we're going to top this off. And then we're going to be at the end of the video to see the little treat I have for you guys. One thing you guys must know about me, I'm always going to find a way to stay productive and to heal my inner child. I love jewelry, I love nails, I love creating things with my hands, and recently I have been creating more than anything. Nails have been put on the back burner, but I still have been very creative. My brain has been turning, okay, you guys, like, and I don't really have the desire to do a bunch of like crazy nail designs or anything like that. I will be coming back with the crazy nail designs for Halloween time, spooky season. Y'all know I'm always gonna be a part of spooky season, always. So you guys will see a lot more videos from me during that time. But as of right now, I am just going to be dropping like 2 videos a month, maybe. Probably maybe 3. It just depends on how frequently I do my nails. So yeah. Now that we're at the end, we're just going to top this off with some shiny top coat. Again, I will link down all the things that I use down below in the comments. And believe it or not, you guys, my nails, I did record my nails as well. And my nails are full cover tips too. Like, I literally did not use polygel at all. And my nails are still on. They're very sturdy. They actually feel like I use polygel or acrylic. yeah, I can show you guys like an update of how my nails look now. They grew out so much since I did this video, and since I did my nails as well. So yeah, I will probably upload like a little short video to see the retention, so you guys can see that they last really well and they're really strong and sturdy. You do not need to use polygel or acrylic to get a sturdy set, I promise you. And you do not need to use a very like expensive brand for like gel X or anything like that. You can go and get some $10 full cover tips and they do the same thing, I promise. You might have to do a little bit more work than gel X, but either way you're gonna have to use builder gel for any full cover tips. So this is a great alternative. Here's how they came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We are right at the end, and yeah, I hope you guys loved it. Now let's get into what the surprise is, you guys. All right, you guys, we made it to the end, and here's the surprise. I started making jewelry. I currently make toe rings, bracelets, ankle bracelets. I have a few necklaces, but I wanted to come and show you guys the toe rings because I always get comments asking me where I got my toe rings. I can never tell you guys, so instead I decided to make some. I use pure copper. Please look up the benefits of copper and also the benefits of toe rings in general. And yeah, I do copper and brass. So if you guys want to support my small business, thank you in advance. I will leave the link down in the description below. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. Mwah.